Hussbus bus stop.
What is up, everybody? JP Hussey here, owner of the Hussey Team Mortgage Advisors, with this week's
Hussbus bus stop.
Hope you guys are well. Bit gloomy out here in the Philly suburbs, right? It's spring. You get some of that rain. You get some of that sun. It's a nice bounce. But spring is here. Kind of getting sick of the cold. Just about there. But anyway, today's topic is homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance is sometimes called hazard insurance, fire insurance, property insurance. All the same thing. All right? And you need that when you're buying a home, especially if you're getting a loan to buy that home. Okay? So let's put it a little bit in perspective here. You buy a home, there's going to be a lien on that property for the money that's owed. All right? That property is collateral. All right? So the lender, right, wants to make sure you have that house covered for if anything happens to it, such as a fire. That's why it's sometimes called a fire policy, okay? Because that's the main thing. Sure, other things could happen with insurance, but the big thing is if you lose the whole house, okay, that's not good for anyone. And let's say you stop making your payments on the house and that lender needs to take the house back, they want to make sure that their collateral is in good shape in case they have to go resell it, okay? So you need homeowners insurance when you buy a house, all right? The reason we're bringing this up is because sometimes what we've seen as of late, and even if you talk to our girl Ellie that works here, is sometimes people are taking a little bit too long to get homeowners insurance. And listen, homeowners has changed over the years. Back in the day, boom, really quick. But now they're starting to look at properties a little bit more to insure them. Things are tightening up maybe. So it might take a little bit more time to issue a policy on that house, all right? So what we're recommending is make sure to start shopping and get your homeowner's policy in place sooner than later, okay? Because sometimes homeowners agents it's not instant, right? It's kind of like a mortgage, right? It takes, sometimes it takes 15, 30, 45 days. Homeowners isn't going to take that long, but it might not be a 30-minute thing. Could be a week type time frame, right? And knowing, because my family has worked in insurance for, my grandfather started in Philly with Allstate in, I don't even know, the 60s, 70s, whatever it might be, right? My whole family's been in it, so I know a little bit about it, right? And sometimes if they issue a policy on a specific date, then we got to change the date. That could cause a whole hiccup, right? So we want to make sure that we're getting our homeowners policy in effect sooner than later. Let's not wait until the end here, okay? Now, like I said, my dad's in insurance, my brother's in insurance. If you need anything, let us know on that side. Happy to help. We always offer that up front to our clients if they want to get a quote, all right? And remember, homeowners can sometimes be the breaking point for qualifying for a loan, right? If we estimate, because we don't know, right? If we estimate $1,000 a year for homeowners, right? And it comes out being $2,500 because of past claims or the type of property, whatever it may be, that goes into your debt to income ratio. That could throw off qualification. So it's better to know what we're getting into sooner than later so it's not a fire drill, no pun intended, at the end, okay? So make sure if you're buying a house, all right, make sure you go and you start working on that homeowners towards the beginning of the process. Let's not wait to the end because we're starting to see some fire drills because people just don't understand that they even need insurance. So they're buying the first home. We don't know. Well, you have to do a better job educating, no doubt. But let's make sure we get it going in the beginning. And remember, if you have your home and your auto with the same company, a lot of times you get discounts. All right. Sometimes if you take a higher deductible, the premium's low. A lot of tricks with insurance to fine tune it. But let's make sure we start shopping for that sooner rather than later. Hey, if you have any questions, feel free to hit us up.
Hussbus bus stop.